Hari Om and welcome back to our second standard computer class. Today, this one is our third session for lesson number 4 using keyboard and mouse. In this session, we are going to learn question and answers which are at the end of the lesson. Today, we are going to solve those question and answers in your textbooks, and as well as we are going to discuss and I will explain those question and answers to everyone. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start our today's session. Here is the first slide of today's session. Question number A. What will happen on the screen if you will press these keys keeping the caps lock off? That means our caps lock on keyboard is off right now, and when our caps lock is off, we press these keys, when our caps lock is off and we press these keys, what will happen? See, here are some keys given to us in this question. We need to think and write down what will come on screen when we press these keys. Okay, so let's start with first one. First is shift key plus R. Shift key plus R means what? We need to press shift key and then we need to press the alphabet key R. Okay, when we press these keys, what will come? Let me show you. I will press the shift key. Now I press the shift key. You will not be able to see the keyboard right now, but right now I am pressing this shift key and I will press the R button on my keyboard, and let's see what will come on screen. I press the shift key and I will press the R key, alphabet key. When I press these keys, one capital R came on my screen. That means when I press shift key plus R, it will give instruction to our computer that you need to show capital R on the screen. Okay, now let's solve the second one. I will delete this question mark. Okay, second one is shift key plus I, then we need to press space bar one time, then we need to press alphabet key M. Okay, so when I press this I key, we need to press shift key also, but after we press this I, we need to lift our fingers up from both keys, shift key and I key. Okay, let's press the shift key first. I am pressing this shift key first. Now I will press the I key. It will show one capital I on the screen. Now I lift my fingers from the keyboard, and now I will follow the next step. Next is they are saying that you need to press the space bar one time. I will press the space bar one time. Okay, now when I press the space bar, it gave one space. As you can see, I will do it one more time. Okay, see, when I press this space bar key, please pay attention on this cursor. Okay, it's right next to the capital I. It's blinking right on the right side of this capital I. But when I press this space bar button, it will move one space forward. Okay, see, it went forward one space. Now when I click on this M button, the small m will come. Why the small m? Here capital R came, here capital I came, but here only small m came. Why? Because we are just pressing the M. We are not using this shift key, okay, while pressing this M. So that's why this small m came. Okay. Now the third one. Let's solve the third one. In third one, they are asking to press shift key plus number key 1. They are asking to press number key 1. Okay, let's press the shift key and let's press the number key 1. It will give us one exclamatory sign on the screen. It will not give us the 1. Okay, because we are using the shift key. as you can see, there is something on top of this one, on the top, on the head of this one exclamatory sign is there. But when we are using this shift key, the one will not come on the screen. It will show the one. It will show the exclamatory sign. Okay. Now after this we have space bar. We have space bar. We need to press the space bar. Now I will press the space bar. It will give one space, and now I am going to press this 0 number key. Okay, I will press the 0 number key, and it will show 1 0. Now some of you may got question. Some of you may get question. Dada, when you press this one, when you press this number key one exclamatory sign came. Now on top of this 0, one bracket is there. So why that bracket did not came here? Why 0 came and why not that bracket? So answer is simple, because here while we were pressing this one number key, we were pressing and holding this shift key along with that one key. That's why this exclamatory sign came. And while pressing this 0, we were not holding any shift key, so only 0 came. Okay. Now time for the fourth one. Fourth one is caps lock key. We need to press one time the caps lock key. I pressed that caps lock key. Now I will press the A, then B, then one backspace. Now first we press the caps lock key, and because of that, whenever we are pressing these alphabet keys, A key or B key, it's showing the alphabets, those alphabets in capital letters. Okay, but now the last key what they are telling us to press is backspace. What will happen when I press the backspace key? It will remove the alphabet from the left side of the cursor. One alphabet. For one time pressing the backspace key, it will remove one alphabet, one character from the left side of the cursor. Where is the cursor? This blinking line is our cursor. So what is the left side? This is the left side of this cursor. So it will remove one letter from the left side. Okay, so let's press this backspace key one time and pay attention on this AB. What will happen to this AB when I press the backspace key? Now I am pressing the backspace key. What happened? Did you pay attention? Can you see the changes? Yes, that alphabet B is gone. That means it got removed when I press the backspace key. Okay, so the answer what will come is only capital A. Okay, after pressing all these key. Now the last one, time to solve the last one. Shift key plus A and then press the B. Okay, I am pressing the shift key. Now I will press the A alphabet key, then the B. But while pressing the B, now I am not holding the shift key because it's only B. Okay, so I am only pressing the B without pressing the shift key. So B will come in small alphabet. Okay, did you pay attention? This was very important. Okay, this is how you can type words or sentence properly. When you want the capital letters, you can use the capital letters. When you want to use some characters or symbols, you can use characters or symbols. When you want to use all small letters, you can use small letters, or you can use proper space in between those letters or words or alphabets or numbers by using the spacebar keys. So this first question was very, very, very important. I hope all of you paid attention properly and understood this question. Now we will move forward to our second question. Okay, we will move forward to our second question. Test yourself. In test yourself, we have question number A. Tick the correct option. Okay, here what I will do, I will color this square whichever having the correct option. Okay, I will color that shape in blue color. Okay, so let's read the first one out. 1. Dash keys help us to type letters. Dash keys help us to type letters, poems and stories. ऐसी कौन सी कीज़ है जो हमें हेल्प करती है लेटर्स टाइप करने में, पोएम्स टाइप करने में और स्टोरीज टाइप करने में? इज इट शिफ्ट की, इज इट कैप्स लॉक की और इज इट अल्फ़ाबेट की? Which one is it? Correct. This one is this alphabet key. So let's color this option. I colored that option blue, so you can guess the correct option among these three options. Okay. Now the second one. A small blinking line on the screen is called pointer, cursor or key. Remember, whenever I click somewhere to type, one line come, as you can see here, it's blinking, right? So whenever this line come, what we call that, what I was calling that line, I called it cursor, right? Mouse cursor. Cursor means a point where wherever that point is, and wherever that point is, you are typing, your typed letters, characters, symbols will come only from that, only start from that point. Okay, so the second sentence answer is, second sentence correct option is cursor. Now the third one, enter caps lock. Enter, caps lock, space bar, etc. are known as dash keys. Enter key, caps lock key and space bar key. इन तीनों कीज़ को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इन्हें क्या बोला जाता है? क्या इन्हें अल्फ़ाबेट कीज़ बोला जाता है? नो। क्या इन्हें नंबर कीज़ बोला जाता है? नो। क्या इन्हें स्पेशल कीज़ बोला जाता है? यस। सो क्यों बोला जाता है स्पेशल की? क्योंकि इन सभी के अपने अपने एक अलग अलग स्पेशल वर्क होते हैं, ठीक है? अलग अलग इनके फंक्शन होते हैं, इनके अलग अलग यूज़ होते हैं, इसलिए इन्हें स्पेशल कीज़ बोला जाता है. Okay, so third one's answer is special. Now with this question got over, so we'll move forward to our next question. Okay, next question, question number B. Choose the correct word from the clue box to complete the following statements. हमें क्या करना है? यहाँ पे एक क्लू बॉक्स है, हमें इनमें से कोई प्रॉपर जो भी करेक्ट आंसर होगा, जो भी करेक्ट एक क्लू होगा, वो हमें यहाँ से लेना है और यहाँ पे लिखना है टू कंप्लीट दिस सेंटेंस. ओके, करेक्ट ऑप्शन लेना है और यहाँ पे हमें वो नोट डाउन करना है. सो लेट्स रीड द फर्स्ट वन. डैश गिव्स अ ब्लैंक स्पेस बिटवीन टू वर्ड्स. ऐसी कौन सी की है जो टू वर्ड्स के बीच में स्पेस देने के लिए यूज़ की जाती है? सी, आंसर इज hidden in this sentence only. Which key, okay, we use to give space between two words? Space, यहाँ पे कुछ है क्या वर्ड ऐसा स्पेस जैसा? एंटर, डबल क्लिक, स्पेस बार. यस, हियर वी हैव द स्पेस बार. स्पेस बार की, स्पेस बार की हम क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? ताकि हम दो वर्ड्स के बीच में स्पेस दे सके. Okay, so let's write down this answer in question number 1 box. Okay, question number 1 का फिर आंसर क्या आया है? फर्स्ट का आंसर है स्पेस बार की. Okay, space bar. Now let's solve the second one. If we want to come down in the next line, अगर हम एक लाइन से दूसरे लाइन पे आना चाहते हैं, We press the dash key. तो हम कौन सी की प्रेस करेंगे? अगर हमें एक लाइन से दूसरे लाइन पे आना है तो हमें कौन सी लाइन प्रेस करनी पड़ेगी? We need to press enter की और डबल क्लिक और स्पेस बार तो हो गया, और सिंगल क्लिक और शिफ्ट की. कौन सी की प्रेस करनी पड़ेगी? याद है, हमें अगर कुछ ओपन करना है या फिर अगर हमें एक लाइन से दूसरे लाइन पे आना है, नेक्स्ट लाइन पे अगर जंप करना है, तो हमें एंटर की यूज़ करनी पड़ती है. कौन सी की यूज़ करनी पड़ती है? एंटर की. सो सेकंड का आंसर है एंटर. ओके, देन द थर्ड वन, डैश इज यूज्ड टू सिलेक्ट अ प्रोग्राम. ये यूज़ किया जाता है किसी भी प्रोग्राम को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए। ओके, सो एंटर हमने यूज़ कर लिया, स्पेस बार हमने यूज़ कर लिया। नाउ वी हैव 3 ऑप्शंस, डबल क्लिक, सिंगल क्लिक एंड शिफ्ट की। सो क्या यूज़ करना पड़ता है हमें यूज़ करना पड़ेगा सिंगल क्लिक। क्या यूज़ करना पड़ेगा? सिंगल क्लिक। ओके, देन द फोर्थ वन, व्हेन वी प्रेस एनी अल्फ़ाबेट की, जब भी हम कोई अल्फ़ाबेट की प्रेस करते हैं, बाय होल्डिंग डाउन डैश की, बाय होल्डिंग डाउन डैश की, किसी एक की को प्रेस करके रख के जब भी हम कोई अल्फ़ाबेट की प्रेस करते हैं, एंड कैप्स लॉक की ऑफ, और जब कैप्स लॉक की ऑफ होती है, द लेटर कम्स इन कैपिटल, मीन्स जब भी हमारा कैप्स लॉक की ऑफ होता है और एक डैश की को हम प्रेस करके रखते हैं, और फिर जब भी हम कोई अल्फ़ाबेट की प्रेस करते हैं तो हमारे सारे अल्फ़ाबेट स्क्रीन पे कैपिटल में शो होता है। दैट मीन्स ऐसी कौन सी की है जिसे हम कैप्स लॉक के जैसे ही कैपिटल लेटर्स टाइप करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं? ऐसी कौन सी की है, कोई बता सकता है? क्या वो डबल क्लिक है, या क्या वो सिंगल क्लिक है, या फिर वो शिफ्ट की है? करेक्ट, इट्स आवर शिफ्ट की। ओके, इट्स आवर शिफ्ट की, it's our shift key. Okay, now the fifth one, dash clicking is used to open any program like Microsoft Paint. Dash clicking is used. Okay, ऐसी कौन सी क्लिक है, ऐसी कौन सी क्लिकिंग है जिसे हम यूज़ करते हैं किसी भी प्रोग्राम को ओपन करने के लिए? अब तो एक ही ऑप्शन हमारे पास बचा है, हमने 4 ऑप्शंस यूज़ कर लिए। डबल क्लिक। सो डबल क्लिक करने से किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर या प्रोग्राम के ऊपर जब हम डबल क्लिक करते हैं तो वो प्रोग्राम ओपन हो जाता है। सो आंसर इज डबल क्लिक। ओके, so after this question number B, we will move forward to solve the next question. So the next slide is question number C. Answer the following questions. The first one, name 2 keys that can correct our mistakes. हमें ऐसे 2 कीज़ के नेम्स बताने हैं जिनको यूज़ करके हम हमारी हुई मिस्टेक्स को करेक्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो ऐसे कौन से 2 कीज़ है? कैन यू टेल द नेम्स, कैन यू गेस देयर नेम्स? यहाँ पे वी हैव 4 कीज़ पिक्चर्स ओवर हियर. ओके, नाउ which picture belongs to what key? Okay, some keys have their names written on it, only one key don't have. So among these 4 keys, कौन सी 2 कीज़ है जो जिसे हम यूज़ करते हैं जब भी हमसे कोई मिस्टेक हो जाती है टाइपिंग करते समय, उसे करेक्ट करने के लिए? So can you tell them? I will tell the first one. Okay, first one is this, the arrow going in the left direction, one long arrow which is going in left direction. This key is called backspace key. Okay, this key is called backspace key. Now what this backspace key do? It will delete the numbers from right to left. Okay, it will go in left direction by deleting those, by removing those letters one by one. Okay, I will show you. See, if I press backspace key one time, it will delete the Y, now it will delete the E, now it will delete the K. Means it's going in left direction by deleting or by removing one letter by one letter. Okay, see, it's going in left direction by deleting one by one letters, right? Now after this, the second one. Okay, this one is done. Now 3 keys are there: shift key, delete key and caps lock key. So which one we will use to correct our mistakes? Shift key, caps lock key or delete key? Yes, the delete key. Okay, next one is delete key. Now how delete key will work? Backspace key was deleting from the right side towards left side, but delete key will delete or remove the letters or characters or symbols from right side to left side. See, if I press the delete key, it will go deleting in from left side towards the right side. Okay, if I press the delete key, it will go in right side by deleting one letter by one letter at a time. Okay. So this one is our delete key. I will undo all these things. Fine. Now question number C1 is done. Now question number C2. Name two keys that can help us to write capital letters. ऐसे दो कीज का नाम बताओ जो हम यूज़ करते हैं कैपिटल लेटर्स को टाइप करने के लिए. ना वो यहाँ पे 4 कीज़ दी हुई थी जिसमें से 2 कीज़ हमने ऑलरेडी चूज़ कर ली है. ना ओनली 2 कीज़ आर रिमेनिंग, शिफ्ट की एंड कैप्स लॉक की. सो साइमल्टेनियसली राइट देम डाउन. आप किसी भी ऑर्डर में लिख सकते हो. यू कैन राइट डाउन शिफ्ट की फर्स्ट एंड कैप्स लॉक की लेटर, or you can write caps lock key first and shift key later. I am writing caps lock key first and then shift key after. Okay. So these are those two keys which we use to write down capital letters, to type capital letters. अगर हम caps lock key को एक बार प्रेस करते हैं और छोड़ देते हैं प्रेस करके, तो जो भी अल्फ़ाबेट हम टाइप करेंगे वो कैपिटल लेटर्स में आएगा. मीन्स सारे अल्फ़ाबेट, सारे लेटर्स कैपिटल में आएंगे. बट अगर हम शिफ्ट की यूज़ करते हैं तो वी कैन टाइप ओनली वन अल्फ़ाबेट कैपिटल एट अ टाइम. ओके. नाउ आफ्टर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर C, we have learn with fun question. We have next question, learn with fun. Now what's fun in this question? So the question is guess my name. Guess my name. आपको कुछ सेंटेंस दिए जाएंगे यहाँ पे जिसको रीड करना है, अंडरस्टैंड करना है, एंड देन यू नीड टू डिसाइड what this whom this sentence belongs to. ये सेंटेंस किसे बिलोंग करता है. Okay. Now first sentence I am going to read. Pay attention. First one. I help you to move the cursor up, down, left, right. क्या करता है ये आपके कर्सर को अप, डाउन, लेफ्ट, राइट मूव करने के लिए, ले जाने के लिए आपको हेल्प करता है. So what's that? और हाँ, I will give you one hint. Here you need to tell the name of any key. Okay. The types of keys were there जो हमने सीखे थे, जिसमें एक टाइप ऑफ की थी स्पेशल कीज जिसके अंदर ये कीज आती है. सो व्हाट आर द नेम्स? आई विल आल्सो गिव वन हिंट. दिस कीज कम्स इन 4 कीज. ओके. इनका एक पैक होता है, एक इनका ग्रुप होता है, 4 कीज से बने होते हैं ये कीज. कैन यू टेल द नेम? दीज आर द एरो कीज. ओके. पता है every keyboard have arrow keys on them. Those keys are 4 keys. 4 arrow keys are there on every keyboard. Up, down, left and right. By using them we can move our cursor up, down, left and right. Okay. Now the second one. I help you to pass your instructions to the computer. I help you to pass your instructions to the computer. Which key help us to pass our instruction to the computer? Enter key. Enter key से हम हमारे instructions computer तक पहुंचा सकते हैं. Okay. It help us to open programs or open files or a picture, and as well as it can also allow us to pass our instructions to the computer. Okay. Now the next one. I allow to give blank space between the words. कौन सी है ये स्पेस बार? हम स्पेस कौन से कीज यूज़ करके देते हैं? स्पेस बार की को यूज़ करके हम 2 लेटर्स, अल्फ़ाबेट्स या नंबर्स या वर्ड्स के बीच में स्पेस दे सकते हैं, एम्प्टी स्पेस. ओके. Now the fourth one, I help to write capital letters. I help to write capital letters. Make capital letters. See, pay attention. Letters, not letter. Letters. I help to write capital letters. Means बहुत सारे letters capital में लिखने में मैं help करता हूँ. So what I am? I am caps lock key. Okay, मैं क्या हूँ? मैं caps lock key हूँ. If we use caps lock key, we can type all letters in capital. Right? Now the fifth one, I allow you to type age. I allow you to type age. Age means numbers. हम age किस में बोलते हैं? Age में. Age किस में बोलते हैं? Numbers में बोलते हैं. So by using which key we can type numbers? Simple. By using the number keys. Correct? Now the next page, puzzle time. This one is puzzle time. Okay. We have one keyboard picture over here and some of the keys are missing from there. Okay. Now what you need to do is you need to guess the name of that particular key. Okay, and write it down in these boxes. Now first one, I want to see the name of this key. Okay, this key, this arrow is belong to this key, so you write down the name of this key. On this place, which key is there? On this place, caps lock key is there. Which key? Caps lock key. Then the next keys, this whole space is empty. That means all these keys from this place are gone, and we need to write down the names of those keys. Which keys are there? यहाँ पे कौन सी कीज होती है? यहाँ पे होती है हमारी यहाँ पे हमारी होती है, just a minute, I think I will write down the next key first. Okay, first we will see this one. ये की सबसे लॉन्ग की होती है हमारे कीबोर्ड पे. ओके, उसका नाम क्या होता है? सबसे लॉन्ग की जो होती है उसका नाम क्या होता है? उसका नाम होता है स्पेस बार की, which we use to give space in between alphabets, letters, numbers or symbols. Okay, now the next one, this key. What is the name of this key? Okay, which we use. This one is the enter key. ये हमारी होती है enter key, which we use. Okay, to go on next line or to give instructions. Fine. Now the next key. Next key is what? Next key is alphabet key. So this was this. Okay, यहाँ पे जो बहुत सारी कीज होती है ना, जिससे हम अल्फ़ाबेट्स और लेटर्स और वर्ड्स और पोएम्स और स्टोरीज टाइप कर सकते हैं, राइट कर सकते हैं. तो इस की ये जो कीज़ यहाँ पे होती है उनका नाम क्या है? व्हाट दे कॉल्ड? दे कॉल्ड अल्फ़ाबेट कीज. दे कॉल्ड अल्फ़ाबेट कीज. ओके, now let's move towards the next key. Next key is the shift key. Here we have two shift keys in our on our keyboard. One is in the left side, this one, and one is on the right side here. Okay, now this one is also a shift key and this one is also a shift key. Same, we have two enter keys on our keyboard. This one is our enter key and one enter key is given on our number pad. Okay, we have number pad given on our keyboard in the right side, so we have the second enter key here also. Now after the shift key we will go toward the last button, which is the delete key. Okay, this key was also missing, so this key is called delete key, which we use to correct our mistakes. Okay, now time to solve the next question. Look at the keyboard and write the number of following keys present on it. हमें क्या करना है? कीबोर्ड की तरफ देखना है and we need to write down numbers of the following keys present on it. यहाँ वहाँ पे जो जो keys present है वो कितने नंबर से, ओके, कितनी क्वांटिटी में वो keys है, ये हमें काउंट करके यहाँ पे लिखना है. Now first one is enter key. Okay, How many enter keys are there? 1 and 2. So we will write down 2 over here. Next, shift key. How many shift keys are there? We know there are 2 shift keys. One is this, and the second one is this. Now the third one, backspace key. There's only one backspace key over here. There's arrow. Okay, this is our backspace key. Then T, space bar key. There is only one space bar key on the whole keyboard. One longest key on the keyboard is known as space bar key. Okay, only one key. Then alphabet keys. There are so many alphabet keys are there. So many alphabet keys. Total number of 26 alphabet keys are there. Okay, total number 26. Then the last one, arrow keys. Arrow keys. See 1, 2, 3, 4. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमने सीखा था ना एरो कीज. एरो कीज आर 4 इन ए ग्रुप. ये 4 कीज एक साथ होती है which we use to move our cursor up, down, left and right. Okay, so arrow keys are total 4 on our keyboard. Done. Now let's go to our next slide. Next slide is fun time. Now we need to match the following actions of a mouse with their corresponding function. ठीक है, हमें यहाँ पे माउस के कुछ एक्शंस ऑप्शंस में दिए, यहाँ पे दिए हुए जिन्हें हमें मैच करना है उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग फंक्शंस. मतलब उन्हें किस लिए यूज़ किया जाता है ये यहाँ पे अपसाइड डाउन लिखे हुए हमें उसे मैच करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर करेक्ट फंक्शंस. ओके, फर्स्ट वन, राइट क्लिक. Why we use right click? We use right click to display a shortcut menu. We use a right click to display a shortcut menu. Now after this option we have boxes given over here. So we need to write down the alphabet of this option in these brackets, in these boxes. Okay, so this third option belongs to A, right click. So we will write down this A over here. Then the next one, dragging. What dragging means? Dragging means to move an object. Dragging means to move an object. Option number B. Okay, then the third one, click. Why we use click? We use click to select an object. We use click to select an object. Then the fourth one, double click. We use double click to open a document. We use double click to open a document. Okay, now with this fun time question, all of our questions and answers also got over for the lesson number 4 using keyboard and mouse. Okay, so with this our session number 3 gets end. We will stop here and we will meet again in our next session for the lesson number 5. Okay.